Hey, my dears! Welcome to the Grammar Podcast. Put the seatbelt on and let's dive in.
Today, our goal is really simple. We are going to learn how to build basic English sentences to describe the world around us. We'll learn how to talk about what we see and what we have. It's like a giant puzzle, and we're putting together the very first pieces. So let's start this journey together. I'm going to speak very slowly and deliberately.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our path for today. 1. Saying what exists. 2. Where is it? 3. Using the word have. And 4. Using have got. We're going to take this step by step.
Section 1. Saying what exists. Using there is and there are. We use these words to simply say that something exists in a specific place. It tells people that something is real and it's right there. So, what does this all mean? Well, here is the core rule. Singular means one person, or one thing. For one thing, we use the words there is. Now, plural means 2, 3, or more. 2 or more people or things. For 2 or more, we use the words there are. Here's a positive example for just one thing. Listen closely. There is a pen on the table. You can also make it short and say there's a pen on the table. Now, what if the pen is missing? We have to make the sentence negative. There is not a pen on the table. You can also use the short word isn't. There isn't a pen on the table. Now, what's really interesting here is how simple it is to build a question. You literally just follow 3 steps. Step 1, start with the word is. Step 2, add the word there. And step 3, add the thing. Notice how the first 2 words simply switch places. Is there a pen on the table? Let's move to plurals, which is 2 or more things. There are some chairs in the room. We use there are because we have many chairs. Also, notice the word some. We often use some in positive sentences when there's more than one thing. Watch what happens when we make it negative or ask a question. For negative, there are not any chairs in the room. You can also say aren't. And for a question, are there any chairs in the room? See what we did there? We must change some to any for negatives and questions. Section 2, where is it? Adding place words. Now that we know how to say something exists, we're going to add details. We need to say exactly where it is using place words. Here are 4 foundational place words. We call them prepositions of place. Listen very carefully. In, on, under, next to. Give yourself a second to think about what these words sound like and what they might mean. First up, in. There is a student in the classroom. Picture a student actually inside a room. Next, on. The keys are on the floor. Picture those keys resting flat on the ground. And this brilliantly illustrates how we add exact locations. For under, your bag is under the chair. For next to, there is a shop next to the bank. We're combining what exists with exactly where to find it. Section 3, using the word have. Owning and appearance. Okay, so now we stop looking around the room and we look inward at ourselves. We use the word have to talk about things we own, like a car, but we also use it to talk about parts of our body, like our eye color. Here is an absolutely crucial rule for subject-verb agreement. The action word actually changes depending on who the person is. For I, you, we, and they, we use the word have, but for he, she, and it, we change it. We use the word has. Let's look at some positive examples. First, I have a car. Second, he has blue eyes. Notice the difference there? I have, he has. To make these sentences negative, we add a new word. I don't have a car, and he doesn't have blue eyes. So for I, you, we, they, we use don't. For he, she, it, we use doesn't. So the crucial point is, how do we build questions to ask about what people have? It's that simple 1, 2, 3 step process again. Step 1, use the word do or does at the very start. Step 2, add the person. Step 3, add the word have. Do you have a car? Does he have blue eyes? Notice we always use have in the question, but that first word is either do or does. Section 4, using have got, a common form for possession. You know, in English, there's another very common way to talk about the things we possess. It means the exact same thing as have. It's just using different words. Here's a positive sentence. I have got a brother. You can also make it short. You can say, I've got a brother. For the negative form, we say, I have not got a brother. The short word here is haven't got. Let's say it clearly together. I haven't got a brother. Let's move to and see how this builds into a question. 3 steps again. Step 1, start with have. Step 2, add the person. Step 3, add the word got. Have you got a brother? It's clear, it's simple, and it's super useful. You've done a completely wonderful job today. You learned how to say what exists, you learned how to say where it is, and you learned how to talk about what you have. So I'll leave you with this final thought-provoking question. Look around you right now. Use your new skills. What is in your room and what do you have?
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.